This is our Galaxy Pour resin tutorial in our Crystal Edge C mold. I mixed up 7 ounces of Art Pro resin and I'm using Liquitex acrylic inks. The first color is Prussian Blue. I used 4 drops in 1.52 ounces of resin. The second color is Prism Violet. I used 3 drops in 1.18 ounces of resin. For the mica, I had 1.01 ounces of resin with 1 tiny scoop of blue and 1 tiny scoop of a dark green. The white is Let's Resin Ocean White, 2 drops in 1.35 ounces of resin, and the balance is for my push, about 1.19 ounces. It's 3 drops of Quinacridone Magenta. I also have a little bit of glitter and glass mixed in with resin for my center. You start this pour by pouring the Prussian Blue on the bottom. That's the greatest amount of resin, the 1.52 ounces. You then take the Prism Violet and start making spirals from the inside out. There's no special way to do this. You go outside in, inside out, just make tiny little spirals, and you take whatever's left and just pour it right into the center. You next do the same thing with the mica powder. Start spiraling around, doesn't have to be perfect. Get it to cover all the areas from inside out or outside in, and take whatever little bit is left and just pour it right into the center. You then do the same thing with the white. Start pouring your circles, and mine are getting a little crazy looking there. From the inside out, just trying to fill the areas, get it to cover the colors. You'll see I get a little heavy-handed there. Oops, I went backwards the other way too. There really doesn't have to be, and I decided to draw a line as well. It doesn't really matter. You do pour the extra right into the center like the rest of the colors. You then take your push with a quinacridone magenta and just pour it directly into the center. Doesn't have to be fast. You're just opening it up a bit so you can put your glitter in. Once the glitter and glass is in the center, you wait for the magic to happen. The back looks really promising. Time to demold it. This has to be one of my favorite pours ever. Thanks so much to Sunfire Designs for her great resin recipe.